If you need a quick side dish, this one comes together so fast. I'm going to grab 8 carrots and get them peeled. I will also leave the recipe at the end of this video. And if you're enjoying this video, I'd love it if you subscribed and hit that like button. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is get these peeled. I'm going to get them in that pan of water. And this is nice to have this going while you have other things going for your dinner. I always thought it would be fun to enter a carrot peeling contest because I thought I could be a good contestant. There's been a lot of years of practice. However, I should add I did speed this up. I always buy the large bag at the store. I just don't like to run out of them, but sometimes they start to go bad, and so I do have one here that is not the best, but it's always just good to use them up. I should consider freezing them, I suppose. I have not tried that. And then once I get this done, I'm going to take these out to my chickens. They just love the carrot scraps. Now I'm going to give these a good rinse and then get them in the pan and get them started. I did end up slicing them. The recipe calls for that. We kind of like them a little bit bigger, but they were too big to do it for this recipe. And then you just want to boil them until they are tender. This takes a little bit of time, not too long. I kept checking these, and some of the bigger ones were taking longer, so I decided just to pull them out and give them a slice and get them back in the water. That way it'll go so much faster. And they are ready to go, nice and tender. I'm going to get them pulled out and put them on the dish because now I need to work with this pan with the carrots not in the pan. Rinse the pan out, and I'm going to stick a half a stick of butter in there and get that melted. Once that is melted, I'm going to add in my brown sugar, a little salt and pepper. Once that's all melted, I'm going to add my carrots back into the pan. I'm going to cook this together like this for 5 minutes, and then I'm going to put it on a plate. And you can add parsley on the top, which I forgot to show, but it makes it look so pretty. These are always a big hit for family functions. A lot of times when I'm having the family over, I will put these in the crock pot, and that way they stay warm. But they are just so good. I like to drizzle just a little bit of that liquid over the top of them and eat them when they are warm. So good. Thank you so much for watching. At the end of this video, I'm going to put up 2 of my other videos if you'd like to click on them. And I hope you'll hit the like button and consider subscribing.